How to remove YouTube recommendations on phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To remove YouTube recommendations on phone, simply launch YouTube app first. Log into your account and head towards profile icon at bottom right corner. Then tap on gear icon at top right corner of the screen. From this account section, select your data in YouTube. Now you will land on this browse or delete your YouTube activity section where you need to scroll down. Now you will see all your YouTube watch histories and YouTube search histories. So tap on manage your YouTube search history. Now tap on delete button and you can delete of all time. Now tap on delete button at bottom right corner and tap on got it. Again come to this page and again you need to select the option for manage your YouTube watch history. And after that, you need to tap on delete again and delete all your watch history as well. And now you need to open YouTube again and refresh the section. You can see that the recommended videos has already been removed on YouTube and there is no any recommendations. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.